Hi everyone, Lindy from the Lunchbox Queen here. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use rice shapers. I always make up my sushi rice according to the instructions on this packet. It turns out perfectly every time. So, grab your rice shaper. Pop in some sushi rice. You can make these as big or small as you like. You can even put in a little bit of rice and then pop some filling in and then top it up with a bit more rice. Grab the top and press it down. Tip it over. There, how quick and easy is that? I'm going to top it off with a little nori shape. And add it to our unicorn box with a little bottle of soy sauce. You can find all our rice shapers on thelunchboxqueen.co.nz. Thanks for watching.